we have one link here, another link there, 4 links that you put one link on top of the other. This link with the hole with the black on top of the blue, and you press directly firm into it. This one is the right side of the links. You do the same as you did with the left side, just the opposite way. Press in firmly, a bit firmer, and that's it. And that's another link. Now we have the right side band along with the frame that you're going to hold in a 45-degree angle. Push in and then push down until you hear a clicking sound. You do the same with the other frame. Hold it in a 45-degree angle and push down until you hear that clicking sound. Same thing for the other frame. 45-degree angle, push down. 45-degree angle, push down. And now we have the left side band, which you're going to put under the frames. And this is for the first 4 frames that you do this for. And you just click it in, click it in, click it in. Push it in and you'll hear the clicking sound. There you go. Same thing for the other one. Push it in until you hear that clicking sound and it goes in. Same thing for this one as well. Push it in until you hear that clicking sound. As you do the top side of the cable chain, you flip it over and you do the bottom just like that. You click it into one side, push it down to the other until you hear that clicking sound in a 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle, click it in, and then you just push it in on the other side. And then you put the side and you just push it in until you hear the clicking sound.